Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Copic Marker tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating marker art. Together we will draw an apple. If you're enjoying my videos, hit that subscribe button and the alert button. You will get more of it. If you have any questions or your own tips, share with us in the comments. I also have an Instagram where I share some nice pictures from my sketchbooks. Please follow if you like what I do. Let's jump into our tutorial. I start with a rough pencil sketch to see how it will look on the paper. When I am happy with the composition, I proceed with the outlining. I am using a black micron liner. It is okay to use the different colors, or skip this part at all. Without an outline, the drawing will have much realistic look. When I am done with outlining, I gently erase the pencil drawing. I am using 3 different shades of green color for the apple and the leaf. I proceed with the coloring. First, I use the lightest tone of green. I use brush nib to mime the texture of the apple. Next, I add mid-tone to increase the contrast, not forgetting about texture on the apple skin. Using the darkest tone to add some more depth. Using Posca pen and white pastel pencil to add some highlights and textures. hope you enjoy this mini tutorial. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you have any questions, comment below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.